just awakened. I'm a criminal, so despicable. Tell me I'm thinkable, and then it feels good to be a criminal. So despicable, tell me I'm thinkable, and then it feels good. Than they say, my dear, a beautiful nightmare, the usual fanfare.
dying tree fantasy. Come talk to me. How did you get this way? I never thought I'd see the day. I tried so hard to bring you back. You're not Jesus Christ. You're not Jesus Christ. You're not Jesus Christ. I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. This isn't what we wanted. We never thought that it would come to this. And I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. You never really knew me. Stop pretending that you wanted to. Well, I'm just a man, flesh and blood. All I need is real love. Your ticket price is too damn high. I don't play with guns, 'cause bullet holes still remain. That don't mean I've changed. Bullet holes still remain. That don't mean I've changed. That don't mean I've changed. That don't mean I've changed. I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. This isn't what we wanted. We never thought that it would come to this. And I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. You never really knew me. Stop pretending that you wanted to. You got your gold streets ahead of you. You got your gold streets ahead of you, but you can't keep my name furthest from your mouth. You got your gold streets ahead of you. You got your gold streets ahead of you. You got your gold streets ahead of you. I can imagine what a weight you bear, but me, I'll be just fine. I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. You never knew what love was. You lived your life with mouths of bitterness. And I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. I used to think that you were right in this, but maybe you were wrong. I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. This isn't what we wanted. We never thought that it would come to this. And I'm just gonna say it, I'll say it. Oh, you never really knew me. Stop pretending that you wanted to.
I'm sorry, I do not remember ordering a glass of your opinion. I'm sorry, I forgot the expert in all things me. It's you. My apologies, I didn't come to you first with every single decision. I'm the worst. I'm sorry, wait, you know what I'm not. I almost forgot. Oh no, don't tell me what to do. Yeah, you don't tell me how to think and live and be. No, I'm not you. Thank God, back up and don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. I'm sorry, I thought I unsubscribed from your junk mail long ago. It's time. I'm sorry, I only trust about 3 people. Anyway, one of them. My apologies if I managed to hurt your fragile ego. Like I said, I'm the worst. I'm sorry, but you know what I'm not. I almost forgot. control me, but you don't own me. So here's an idea. If you are gonna be salty, could you at least paint a candle? Don't, oh, no, don't tell me what to do. Yeah, you don't tell me how to think and live and be. No, I'm not you. Thank God, don't tell me what to know. Oh, no, don't tell me what to do. Yeah, you don't tell me how to think and live and be. No, I'm not you. Thank God, don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Yeah. So scandalous, so corrupt. I'd do anything for money and love. I'm a pariah, oh I'm a liar. Don't wanna die without no scars. Shoot from the hip, baby, shoot from the heart. Am I forsaken or just awakened? I'm a criminal, so despicable. Tell me I'm thinkable, and then it feels good to be a criminal. So despicable, tell me I'm thinkable, and then it feels good.